welcome to Run Deal. Today I'm gonna review this water pump. It's a great pump. Definitely is the best pump that I have. So it's strong, it's durable, it's waterproof, of course, and it comes with a huge cord, a huge power cord. So it's great, and a big nozzle, so you can put the big hoses. So it's great. This moves 3 different ways, so it's perfect, and it's power. Have a lot of power, and comes also with this bag. You just put the pump inside the bag, the tire over here, so you're gonna protect your pump from the dirt and the leaves, a lot of stuff. So it's great. It's a great bag. It's resistant. So it's a great product. I recommend it. I hope you like it. Bye. And don't forget, go Run Deal mobile app. Check another deals. Bye.